Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadan at Stock Market Caddy, and today is Saturday, July 22nd at about 12:30. And you're looking at a scorecard not of my trading, but of a new member to Stock Market Caddy who is in his first week of Q School. And I'm going to share with you his score. I'm not going to, from a privacy standpoint, I don't think he'll mind me sharing this score anonymously, but I'm not going to give you his name, but he probably wouldn't mind, but I won't do that because we are going to publish this on YouTube. And we wanted to do so, and also with our members, to give you some insight in those that are following us what Q School is all about. When we invite people to become an annual member or they express an interest in becoming an annual member, we require that everyone go through what we call a 3-week Q School. It slows the process down. You only have to do it once, and we get to spend just about every day. And for this past week, on during this gentleman's Q School, I almost said his name, very nice fellow. And by the way, he comes to us with a TradeStation account and experience and trading experience, most certainly. And so he is, taken to this, as I've shared with him, like a duck to water. We spent the bulk of last week on Swing Machine, discussing Swing Machine, trading Swing Machine, and he's doing the trading. He is doing the trading, and we just set up the view so that he has a clear view. We spent anywheres from 1 to 2 hours every day together, I think with the exception on Thursday, and discussing and answering his questions and peeling back the onion. As you can see, his trades, we'll cut right to it. The grand total for the week, he had 39 mechanical trades. His gross profit was $2,326.80. Now he's only trading one mini contract in these markets. His gross loss was $1,384.80, and his gross profit factor was 1.68. His net is approximately $1,000. So he was making $1.68 for every dollar he expended. His winning trades, a 19. His losing trades, a 16. Now we don't happen to have a column here, a couple of columns that we could be adding as a winning percentage and his net. But winning percentage, when we're going after trends, really isn't that important. We had an exceptional week last week as well, and the winning percentage was low. So when you're going after trends, winning percentage isn't that important. 19 long trades, 20 short trades, pretty well balanced. The average winning trade is 122.46. The average losing trade, 86.55. A very good job. And he made his own notes over here. Nothing, not a diary, or an involved diary, but just some notes about, that it was later in the day and no volatility, and, maybe a perception that he may have overtraded. And it's good to have those notes. It's just good to be keeping score, folks. Because if you traded last week and you're keeping score just on the money and you're not keeping any kind of a trading log, you don't have anything to go back to. You don't know for sure what you'll be working on, what you need to work on. And if you have a really good week, it's good to have those notes so that if you do hit a down week or a down day or whatever it is, you can go back and derive confidence from your own trading record. Now, he would have been these trades that he would have been doing would have been mechanical. He was watching our screen. We gave him some tools where he had TradeStation, and he was shadowing and putting on those trades. Thursday, unfortunately, he wasn't able to get the program in, but we ran in parallel the 1 minute swing machine on the ESU and the NQ, which he would not have traded at all on Thursday. And our performance, fully robotic, was over $3,000 and a profit factor in excess of 2. And it was quite a few trades now. It was on a 1 minute, and then Thursday was a pretty exceptional day. It was over 100 trades. When I'm trading from a discretionary standpoint or even a little bit mechanical, I want to keep my trade count down personally. But when I'm trading more mechanical into the realm of robotic and robotic hedging, where the machine is teeing up the trades or totally managing the trades, I really don't put that much emphasis on the number of trades, certainly not the winning percentage, and I'm even prepared to accept a lower profit factor. Congratulations to this gentleman. Those of you that are following us on YouTube and on Twitter or are currently monthly members, if you have an interest in becoming an annual member and you want to know more about Q School, what it is and why we do it, don't hesitate to go to the website, see what we have there. And if you want to call and chat about it, you can reach me at 813-758-8263. We know that it slows the process down. We know we'd probably have more annual members if we didn't require the Q School. But we think it's just much more responsible on our part to give this gentleman, to give every annual member the opportunity to go through the Q School, an intensive 3 weeks, to ask questions in a live environment as to what is working, what isn't working, and basically giving every opportunity for the person to say, Don, you're a nice enough guy and I like the tools, but you know what, this isn't for me. But this gentleman, at least from what he's been telling us, and we hope it's the case because we've really enjoyed his company, he's been very, very pleased. And we got a lot more to go. Have a great weekend, everyone, and congratulations to our newest member. Thanks.